So you're ready to sell, but there's work that needs to be done to your house. At this point, you don't even want to do even the simplest of things. We get it. I'm Brad Chandler with Express Home Buyers. We can make you a cash offer and buy your house as is. Sometimes you know there are a lot of repairs needed, and even if there aren't known repairs, surprises come up in home inspections. And you may get hit with expensive repairs like a new roof, hidden water damage, or termites. Home repairs and home inspection items can be overwhelming, but not when you sell to us. We'll buy your house in as-is condition. There's no formal home inspection, and we'll take care of the repairs. We truly mean it. We'll buy your house in any condition, even if it's a total fixer-upper. Regardless of the condition or situation, there's no easier way to sell. If you're interested in an offer, reach out to us today. What do you have to lose? Best case scenario, you take our offer. Worst case, you find out what your home is worth. No hassle, no obligation. Call us today.